Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of side hustles, those awesome little money-making machines that can help you achieve your financial goals faster. We're talking about 5 specific side hustles that can realistically put an extra $1,000 a month in your pocket, even if you're starting with 0 experience. So, if you're ready to unlock your earning potential and start building a brighter financial future, buckle up and let's get right to it. Alright, let's kick things off with a side hustle that's near and dear to my heart: freelance writing. I'm talking about getting paid to write, and no, you don't need to be Stephen King to make this work. Think about it. Businesses are constantly pumping out content. They need blog posts, website copy, product descriptions, social media captions, the list goes on and on. That's where you come in. Now you might be thinking, Graham, I barely passed English class, how am I supposed to make money writing? Listen, you don't need to be Hemingway to succeed in freelance writing. What matters most is finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Maybe it's fitness, video games, cooking, whatever it is, that's your sweet spot. Once you've found your niche, it's time to hit the ground running. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger are like the Craigslist of freelance writing. They're overflowing with businesses looking for talented wordsmiths like yourself. When you're just starting out, don't be afraid to take on smaller gigs, even if they don't pay a ton. Think of it as an investment in your skills and your portfolio. As a newbie, you can expect to earn around $10 to $20 per article. But hold on, it gets better. As you gain experience and build up a solid portfolio, you can start charging more, $50, $100, even $200 or more per article, depending on the length, complexity, and your client. The key here is consistency. The more you write, the better you become, and the faster you can increase your rates. Next up, let's talk about a side hustle that's exploding in popularity. Becoming a virtual assistant, or VA for short. Think of a VA as a superhero sidekick for busy entrepreneurs, small business owners, and anyone else who needs an extra pair of hands, or in this case a keyboard warrior, to tackle their to-do list. The beauty of being a VA is that you don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. If you've got basic computer skills, consider yourself organized, and are eager to learn new things, you've got what it takes. I'm talking about managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling social media, doing some light data entry, and maybe even providing some stellar customer service. It's like being the ultimate right-hand person, all from the comfort of your own home. Now, where do you find these VA gigs? Well, platforms like Belay, Time, etc., and Zirtual are specifically designed to connect VAs with clients who need their superpowers. But don't stop there. LinkedIn and Facebook groups are gold mines for VA job postings. Network like crazy, put yourself out there, and you'll be surprised at the opportunities that come your way. So, how much can you rake in as a VA? Well, on average, VAs earn anywhere from $15 to $40 per hour, depending on their experience and the specific tasks they handle. Chapter 3. Alright, let's move on to a side hustle that's perfect for all you brainiacs out there: online tutoring. If you've got a knack for explaining things and a passion for sharing your knowledge, this one's for you. Whether you aced math in school, speak another language fluently, or can break down complex scientific concepts like it's nobody's business, there's a student out there who needs your guidance. The beauty of online tutoring is that you can teach pretty much any subject under the sun. Math, science, English, history, test prep for the SATs or ACTs, you name it, there's a demand for it. And the best part? You don't necessarily need a teaching degree to get started. Platforms like VIP Kid, for example, focus specifically on teaching English to children in other countries. All you need is a passion for teaching, a solid internet connection, and of course fluency in English. Other platforms like Chegg Tutors, TutorMe, and Schooly offer a wider range of subjects, giving you even more flexibility in terms of what you want to teach. These platforms are like the matchmakers of the tutoring world, connecting you with eager students who are ready to learn. You set your own hours, work from anywhere with an internet connection, and get paid to share your knowledge. It's a win-win situation. Chapter 4. Now, this next side hustle is one of my personal favorites because it allows you to create something once and sell it over and over again. I'm talking about selling digital products. This is the epitome of passive income, people. Think about it. Digital planners, eye-catching artwork, informative ebooks, printable worksheets, stylish templates, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? Once you've created your digital masterpiece, you can sell it an unlimited number of times without having to worry about physical inventory, shipping costs, or any of that jazz. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify make it incredibly easy to set up your own digital storefront and start selling your creations to the world. It's like having your own online boutique, but without the overhead costs of a traditional brick-and-mortar store. And because your customers receive their purchases instantly via download, there's no waiting around for shipping, it's instant gratification for everyone. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, this all sounds great, but how much can I actually make selling digital products? Well, my friend, that depends on a few factors: the quality of your products, your pricing strategy, and of course your marketing efforts. But let me give you an example. Let's say you create a beautifully designed planner or a set of printable worksheets that you sell for $5 to $20 each. If you sell just 50 to 100 copies per month, you're looking at $250 to $2,000 in monthly revenue. Chapter 5. Last but not least, let's dive into a side hustle that's taken the entrepreneurial world by storm: dropshipping. This business model allows you to become an e-commerce mogul without ever having to touch a single piece of inventory. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Here's how it works. You set up an online store, typically using a platform like Shopify, and partner with a dropshipping supplier who handles all the storage, packaging, and shipping of your products. When a customer places an order on your website, the order is automatically fulfilled by your supplier, who ships the product directly to the customer's doorstep. Your role as a dropshipper is to be the mastermind behind the scenes. You're responsible for choosing a niche, selecting winning products, building a beautiful and user-friendly website, crafting compelling marketing campaigns, and providing top-notch customer service. One of the biggest advantages of dropshipping is that you don't need to invest thousands of dollars in inventory upfront. This significantly reduces your financial risk, making it an attractive option for aspiring entrepreneurs who are just starting out. Plus, you can run your dropshipping business from anywhere in the world with an internet connection, giving you ultimate freedom and flexibility. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How much can you potentially earn with dropshipping? Well, my friend, the sky's the limit. But seriously, it all comes down to your product selection, your marketing prowess, and a sprinkle of good old-fashioned hustle. Successful dropshippers can earn anywhere from $500 to $5,000 or more per month, and some even go on to generate 6 or 7 figures in annual revenue. So, there you have it, 5 incredible side hustles that can realistically put an extra $1,000 a month in your pocket, even if you're starting from scratch. From the power of words with freelance writing, to the convenience of virtual assistants, the flexibility of online tutoring, the passive income potential of digital products, and the e-commerce excitement of dropshipping, there's a side hustle out there for everyone. Remember, these side hustles offer flexibility, low startup costs, and the potential for serious growth. Which side hustle are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more money-making tips and tricks, and smash that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial freedom starts today.